We got another update for you guys, another project that we're working on for a client in Middleborough. We have gutted the whole kitchen, brand new main bedroom, bathroom, laundry room, utility room, and we're putting a lot of historic details right back into it. So we're gonna take you through for a little update. Woohoo! Oh, look at that. So we changed up the hardwood floor here in the mudroom, and this is just gonna look beautiful. It's gonna tie the house together with the historic floors that we're able to save here in the kitchen. Eric and Brian are here working on the finish. We've got some barn doors we're gonna put on, but we've got the whole kitchen right in here, which is just beautiful. Lots of storage space, new farmer's sink, and then we've got these pantry cabinets that we put in, which are just floor to ceiling. They came out great. We've got a new mantle that's gonna go across here that's going to replace what would have been here originally from the keeping room. So we're gonna do something that matches the paneling of the cabinets back here. And then, and Eric's already got one of the barn doors installed. So these are slab doors that are the Cross and Bible 6-panel doors that would have been traditional in a house like this. Some of the doors in this house are 4-panel. This is a slightly newer version of that, the 6-panel. But once it's painted, it's gonna mimic everything that would have been in this house. And again, this is a nice solid wood door. We hung the track. When we prepared to put these tracks in, you wanna make sure you put plenty of blocking in the wall so it's nice and easy to install. And that gives you a nice little hidden doorway to the bathroom. We get the bathroom tile in. I love this hex tile, it looks great. Nice penny tile on the floor. We've got a niche that's gonna go in the bathroom here, which is always great for your soap and your shampoo. Just makes it nice and practical. We always put them in all the showers. So again, nice use of the space. In the utility room that we put in here, brand new high efficiency heating system. That means we don't have to do a fire rated door here, which is great. It's a little way we can save money. But we did spend money on the high efficiency heating system. One thing we made sure we did is we did a little hatch in the floor here. Now this is gonna get an AZAC cover so there's no moisture absorbed from the crawl space underneath, but it's just enough that you can get in and under there and access the pipes if you ever need to. It's all about the little details. If we head back out this way, we get to show you the room that the homeowner is really looking forward to. This is their new main bedroom. Brand new hardwood floor all the way throughout this. This is wide pine, heart pine flooring, and we're gonna refinish this, stain it so it looks old. We've got the highlights of the beams all throughout the ceiling. We've got a finished detail that we're gonna put to highlight these even more. Brand new skylights to let the light in, and they actually function so that the homeowners can get plenty of airflow through here. And then if we come down this way, we've got the bathroom with a shower and everything, and Hung is working away here doing the tile. He's busy as ever, and Hung's the happiest guy on our crew. He's always smiling. Yes, 7 Summer Street, our client project here is just coming right along, and we're really looking forward to the clients getting back in here and getting to enjoy the house with their whole family. This has been a ton of work, but we have a little ways to go. A lot of little finished details, a lot of hardware, final paint, and this is gonna look like a brand new historic home.